All right, when you're working one of these problems, it says write the prime factorization. So prime factorization, I mean, starting at the basics, like if I had 12, remember prime numbers, I mean, if you want to do like the tree method, you break it down like 4 times 3, and 4 goes to 2 times 2. So 12 is the same as 2 times 2 times 3, and notice these are prime numbers. And then, of course, in exponent form, that's what they want you to do. They want you to do the product of power, so you would do 2 squared times 3. And so they basically want you to break this down to nothing but prime numbers. Well, 12 to the 9th, so 12 to the 9th, we've already done 12 over there, and 12 is basically 2 times 2 times 3, and these are all to the 9th power, which is going to give me 2 to the 9th, 2 to the 9th, and 3 to the 9th. All right, so that's what 12 to the 9th is. Now 36, again, if you break 36 down, so that can be, if you want to do 6 times 6, and that's 2 times 3, and that's 2 times 3. So 36 would be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or an exponent power, 2 squared, 3 squared. So 36 to the 15th, 36 is basically, again, you can write 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 if you want to do it that way, and that's to the 15th power. So each of these are to the 15th power. So 2 to the 15th, 2 to the 15th, 3 to the 15th, and 3 to the 15th. And then 169. Well, 169 is nothing but to the 5th power. It's just 13 times 13. It's a perfect square. So then you're going to have 13 to the 5th times 13 to the 5th. And then they basically want you to break this down. So the only, or simplify it, the only thing you should have are the bases. So how many 2s do you have, how many 3s do you have, and how many 13s do you have? So here I have 9, here I have 9, 15, 15, and that's 48 of them. 48 2s. And then for the 3s, I have 15 and 15, and then 9 more, so that's 39 of them. And then the 13s, I have 10 of them. So this right here is what they're looking for you to do. So, I mean, once you do 1 or 2 of these, you'll get the hang of it. You can do these a little bit quicker instead of, showing all of this little work, but that's really what you're doing on each one of them. The tree method over here that to break the numbers down, that really helps you see all the possible numbers to be able to do that. So you do the same thing with the next one, 16, you're just going to break that down and then raise it to the 13th power. The same thing with 10, same thing with 81. Break them down to prime numbers, make sure they're all prime numbers, especially like 81. A common mistake I see is people putting 9 times 9, but remember that can be broken down to 3 times 3. So make sure you break them all the way down to prime numbers to be able to do that. So I hope that helps you.